I don't know what to name this. It could be a courier. It could be a tenant. An applicant doesn't have a token, right? I don't know what to call this. I feel like it's just you. I guess I could call it authorized token. So far, it's the best name I could think of that's abstract enough. Or you could just call it a token. You know what? So that's access to and just be done with it. An applicant token, what does that even mean? I guess, fine. I guess it's called authorized token. Yeah, fuck it. I'll call it. We'll call it authenticated token. Hold up. Or authorization token. Maybe that. So an approved applicant gets an authorization token. Enable tenant feature. Let's call this enable features. Oh, yeah, okay. Rise user features. That requires an admin token. Enable user features, enable admin features. Okay. Stakeholder operations. I don't know if I still want to call it stakeholder. It's really authorized dot operations. And if I were to rename that authorized operations, then yeah. So let's change this yet again. Or use stakeholder anywhere else. This authorized. And then we got some stakeholder, call it some authorized ID. token is a access to. And this is same thing. Updated naming conventions. Okay. Now what? Probably write a test. So what's the test going to be? Write a test. First of all, we don't need to say tenant. Okay. Some authorized features. That should be fine. That's fine. Enable authorized features. Okay. The admin feature naming convention should be fine. Okay. So what's the test I want to write? Submit application, approve application. When the application is approved, you get a authorization token. That's fine. But that's not enough. Is it? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. You get authorization token, and then there's like, there should be a authorized, and there should be a request features, request service keys. That's the one I'm looking for. That authorized. I have request service keys here. What about my test API? I don't see it over here. Yes, I do. It's right here. Okay. So now what? Naming Conventions. Okay. We approve application. We want to say request service keys. That's the test. I'll do it over here. Request service keys. That right there. Request service keys takes what? Just a token, right? So you have some token. It's not gonna like that. Try one more time. Got it. That didn't work out. No. Okay. Request service keys. So that test is now in here, at least the unit test. Then what? Well, all these tests are going to fail for right now. I guess I could start filling this out. But yeah, sure, I'll do it. And this is supposed to be service key. So what is a service key? That service key. I thought it was like feature equal some feature. No, it's called service and then key. Service, then key equal some, say some key. Okay. So theoretically, to make this pass, we just say sequence. That should be all we need to do. Yeah. So if we go to our tests, it should be one test that passes. And this is the one test that passes. Okay. What about submit application? There's a apply. Application submitted. Okay, what does that look like? Submit it. Go back. Application. Submit it. Application timestamp. Application equal should be like some application and then timestamp equals date. Come here. Date time. Still can't do it. Date time. UTC now. Okay. So theoretically, we should just be able to say this right here. Okay. Something like that. All right. We should be fine with that. One would surmise that we probably can get away with doing this right here. Something like that. Let's go through the motions and just get our second pass and test. Second pass and test, successful. Or should I say second test, successful? What about this request features? This is if successful, returns features. That should just something like this. Yeah. How does this work? Okay, maybe not. Sequence feature. So it should be like something like this. So some feature like that. Okay, I didn't like that. All right, so run that. Should have 3 passing tests. Okay, cool. Now what? We checked off apply. We checked off request features. Checked off request service keys. Approve application. It's authorization token that gets returned. Okay. That should be something as simple as this. Okay. Say like access to equals. No, not even that. I should just be able to say, okay, some token. No. I say authorization token, but it's a token, dude. That should be the gist of it. Okay. So I could delete this authorization token. Because, I mean, yeah, like, go back to my tests. Submit application. We did that. We did request service keys. I thought we were doing approve application. Let's start over. I don't know which one I was working on. Request pending review. Ah, okay. Approve applicant. That's what I was working on. That red squiggly is it's a Visual Studio bug. Request status. Okay. Applicant ID, status, and details. So return, okay. It's supposed to be applicant ID, some applicant ID, status equals, say approve. No, we'll say some status. And then the last one was details. Details equal some details. Okay. I mean, you could take this and say that this is some. What is this supposed to be? Application status. Yeah. So we could say some application, and then we just say status at the end of it. And then that will go here. And we'll say let some application status equal. Then you would have something like this. All right. And that looks fine to me so far. And then pending review. You say, okay. And then what exactly is no, it's just an application, right? So the sequence, no, it's just application. So you say okay, and just say some application that gets satisfied. Let's run a test. Half of this should be green now. All right, more than half. So then enable authorized features. We're supposed to be over here. Enable authorized features. Say okay, and then What's actually that doesn't do anything. Okay. It takes actor features. Call that authorized features. Authorized features. What does that even mean? It means that they have admin token. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't really have to do anything. You know what I could do is, because this token's not being used anywhere, I could just save some characters. And then enable admin features. Think they know me. People think they know me. You ain't my homie. You ain't my homie. Donut. Control them all, collapse everything. Go through this workflow. Everything should be green now. Everything's green. Refinement. Right? Keep refining this model. Like we're refining oil into gasoline. Just keep refining it until correctness gets exposed, or at least something closer to it, right? Got unit tests passing. Okay. Data gateway. I feel like I should probably write some integration tests now. Tests. And this will be. Do I have two different test projects? How do I want to do this? Do I have a unit test project and an integration test project, or do I just have one test project and one file is unit test, the other file is integration test? I honestly don't know which one to do. Unit tests are fast and cheap, right? It's the integration test that we care about. I mean, after all, this is DevOps. Okay. We say tests. Unit. Let me just copy paste this and call it test integration. Module test dot integration. This one was test dot unit. Okay. Now what? Edit skeleton integration tests. Hasn't been an hour yet. Nope, 38 minutes. Say integration test go before unit test. So now what? The submit application, we got to introduce this notion of a data gateway. Do I have a dependency on data gateway? Come here. Nope. Let's do it right now. Got it. Got him. Okay, now what? Applicant submits an application, right? So we'll import this DevOps data gateway. Open. Okay. And then we'll do a applicant dot apply. That was easy. Of course, all this is going to fail, but yeah, I'll just go through this with the obvious. This would be admin dot approve header. This would be admin dot status. This would be admin dot pending review. What was the rest of this word? Authorized. Do I call this authorized up here? Yeah, I do. Let's order for family.actor. Let's call this actor authorized. Control Shift B. I'm in data gateway. Okay. And I'm looking at the test, right? So this should probably be authorized dot request service keys. Do I really need to say request, or can I just say service keys? Let's say service keys. That right there. Same thing here. I'm just gonna say features, dude. Fine, man. Authorize features. And then request features, enable authorized feature. Okay. This would be admin. Who enables? Why do I don't have this in here? Enable user features. First of all, I don't like that. This. Yeah, enable user features is fine. Enable user features. We'll just say enable features. Okay. And takes authorized features. Admin token. Okay. There's only enable admin features. Why is it? That's mock. What up? The enable features. I don't like this authorized features. I'm gonna call it features token. That's what I'm gonna call it. And I'm gonna rename this. It's not features token. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say admin.enable enable features. We can say admin enable, and then this is enable features. And then the other one is admin dot features. I don't understand. Why do I have enable admin features? Oh yeah, I understand. Enable admin, enable features. Okay. What the fuck was that? Hold on. What am I doing? Enable features. This is over here. Admin dot enable admin features. Control Shift B. Okay. Updated integration skeleton tests. It's slowly coming. Not even slowly. It's coming hard. All right. So good stuff. Allow fees. What else? These tests are going to fail now. Hey, Ryan. 8 of them pass, 8 of them fail. I think we call this a service key. No. There is an API key. we need to have an application entity. I think it's supposed to be like tenant. It's a tenant application. I feel like I have to keep tenant application in here, else I'm going to lose the context. Because there's also like a courier application. I mean, that's a separate solution though. Yeah, say tenant application. And the tenant has what? Application ID, that can be the role key. Application name. I feel like the application name is the role key. I don't know. You have a partition key and a role key. I mean, there's going to be an application table. Why do I need an applicant ID and an application name? All right, if I think about my own app, I feel like the application name would be the partition key, and the applicant ID would be the role key. It would look like that. Then you just add the location. this is not working. Attitude. Order fulfillment. It's not called order fulfillment. It's called DevOps. Change this. Is it called tenant application entity? Or is it just called authorized? If I do authorized application entity, then it covers tenants and couriers, meaning it covers business owners and couriers, in which feature toggles are supported for both of them. Yeah, I think that's what I think it should be this. Somewhere here you would have Azure operations. This is really just called Azure table, right? Let's add a connection. Let's call it connection. I'll call it storage connection. Let's string. But mutable string. Put this right here. So then we can say that stuff is fine up here. That's fine. I'm not gonna mess with this. I don't know. The table equal, then we'll call this, what did I call it? Authorized application. Then we could say match and say sure exists, which takes a connection string and a table. Should have a storage connection dot string. The other one is table. This returns an async task. So you say async dot await task with, and then you'll say error message turn error message else. You have this file table that you can figure out whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so let private connection string equal connection string. Then we'll have our storage connection string. Right there. And we will say this is okay. Cloud table. And with that cloud table, you would then probably say we ensure that the table exists, and then we probably want to say create, and then it's going to be a table entity. So we say let entity, and we can say application entity equal something like that. But we call it authorized application entity. DevOps.Azure entities. Okay. We got to establish what our role key is. Let R key equal role key something. And then same thing, let P key equal, and then we say partition key, and that's going to be something. What am I doing? Top that. So then you would have partition key equal P key, and then you have row key equal R key. I thought you would have something like this. Maybe not. So the partition key would be the application name. So application immediately when I look at application name, I'm like, why do I call it application name? Why don't I just call it name? So I gotta define it somewhere in here. Hey, Akil, what's going on? Oh, you said that. You said that at 1:33. Oh crap! I responded to you late. My bad. I said the role key was going to be applicant ID. So this should be name. This should be applicant ID. Like, why am I? Why don't I just do it like this? Hold up. I could just do that. You know, just be done with that right there. So then we could say create. It's probably a match, right? Match with, and then you would have your error message goes to return error message. Else if it's okay, it's going to return. I don't know what it's going to return. It was great return. Unit. I mean, honestly, I just returned this. Hold up. I would just do that. And then whatever this other parameter is, connection string. What else is there? A table? It looks like table entity table. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's see what the issue is. Application entity is the table entity. Connection string, that's this right here. It says all branches of pattern match must return values of the same type. What is this supposed to return? Oh, application submitted. Oh, okay. Okay. And that's the async result. Sync dot wait task. Dude. Let's see if you said anything. Nothing much. Error message. Return message. But if it's okay, then we want to return in. Hold on, we're supposed to say return error message. Then return okay, and then the contract that we have is supposed to be application submitted. Application submitted is application and timestamp. So you say application equal application, then you say timestamp equals date time UTC now. And ensure that the table exists. Should be another create that takes the table. I guess not. Alright, well, it looks like I don't need this. Well, I guess I do need that part. Hold up. Yep. That, my friend, is the first Data gateway operation. Check that in. And I'm going to call it a night. And wake up probably in 3 hours because I just wake up hella early. I mean, I still didn't execute the integration test for this yet, but applicant apply implement it data gateway. I don't like this guy. Authorization application. I think that's a better name. Authorization application. Or we could just say user application. We could say this. Or we could just say authorized user. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I'll write some solid code, man. Damn it. I'll write some solid code. I kill. I'm about to do something really creepy. You should never put your full name out there because now I'm about to Google you and see who you are. That's what you get. Hold up. Who are you? I don't like going to Facebook though. Let's click on images. Yo, which one are you, Akil? You said that. I assume that you're younger because you said that you want to learn C. I doubt if you're a basketball player because I just can't see a basketball player being a programmer. Most of them, they decided to go all in on basketball and then they end up living in the projects 5 years later when they realize that they're not a 1%er. I don't think you're a videographer. It says bartender right here. This could be you. I'm thinking this is you right here. soccer. I'm not into sports. Yeah, I try to stay away from Facebook, so I don't want to click on that. Um, I'm done for I'm done for a little while. This is now implemented. Yeah, I don't want to run a test though, because then if I run a test and it fails, then I'm going to be here for another half an hour making it pass and then implementing 2 other tests because I already have most of the infrastructure laid out. Yeah, I ain't going to do that. All right, I'm out. Take care. You're from Louisiana, but you can't possibly be in the States. It's going on 2 in the morning. Well, hold up. Louisiana is what, an hour behind me? An hour behind East Coast. I can't spell Louisiana. It's 1 o'clock in Louisiana. Yeah, because it's going on 2 o'clock where I'm at. Um, it's a weekday. Why are you up at 1 o'clock in the morning? No, my bedtime is usually like 8:30. It's just for the last couple of days I haven't really. My sleep is messed up right now. I'm gonna leave a nugget right here to do. Save it. Get out. And it's God knows what I'm talking about, nigga. The streets, people think they really know me. You ain't my homie. Leave your mother, girlfriend, fucking lonely. Don't that. Nigga, people think they know me, man. I said I'm in the zone. Nigga, leave my girl alone. Nigga, about the bone. Nigga, people think they know me, be like, don't. From the street, people think they really know me. Nigga, you ain't my homie. Leave your motherfucking girlfriend lonely. Nigga, don't go back to work until Thursday. Says you're off tomorrow. So what, you ain't playing video games? What are you doing? I mean, I know you're not watching me. I know you're not watching the monitor. You probably just have this like playing in the background with my whatever Chinese hip hop or techno instrumentals running in the background and me occasionally mumbling stuff. It says Japanese. No. Hold on. Which one is this? Japanese trap and bass radio. I'm about to freestyle. I'll type that in the live chat. What? Hold up. Start over. I'm about to freestyle to this track. The only thing is I can only freestyle when I'm inebriated. And most of my freestyles, all of my freestyles are hella corny. Looking at my code style. Don't go back to work. Yeah. I was telling you to praise me, praise my unorthodox style. And you're like, nope. Am I the only person doing this? Hold up. This person's YouTube channel. It says 152. I bet you is 100. I bet you out of this 152, well 150 now. I bet you half of them are programmers. All right, I got a freestyle about something. I don't know. It's gonna be hella corny. Like when I walk up to some pretty chick, I know whatever I say that comes out my mouth is gonna be hella corny. Mm, 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 Well, what am I gonna rap about a kill? Huh? I gave you my GitHub, right? I think you should have some access to my GitHub stuff if you're looking at my coding style. You should have access to Azure Event Store. I'll paste this in the comment. My name is Scott Dog. I write code. F sharp. About to explode. Release my load. About to sleep. My name is Scott Dog. Can't hear a freaking peep. I'm a pimp. Goodyear blimp. My name is Scott Dog. Man, I like to eat shrimp. All I do is write. I don't fight. Grant Hill dunks and drink Sprite. Like to rap like MC Light. My name is Scott Dog. About to get freight. Oh my God, put on them skates. Dazzling, cause all I do is say, I'm going to bed, cause I can't freaking rap. My name is Scott Dog, man, I give my homies dap. Rap, slap, about to go home. People think they really know me, and yeah, it's pretty terrible. All right, man, I'm out. See you. Catch up. Bye.